failures. Okay? All right. Those that are not trying hard enough. Absolutely every single one of my clients is a serial failure. Elon Musk, serial failure. Richard Branson, how many virgin companies does that guy launch and then go bankrupt? Okay? Serial failure. Is his mortgage paid for? All right? Failures were there. Failures, those scars, are there to enable us to grow. So when you're trying marketing, when you're trying customer service, it's got to come from your tone, from your persona. Some of the stuff I do, you couldn't get away with. And some of the stuff that you do wouldn't work for me. Because guess what? You're you. And it takes zero effort for you to be you. So you've got to get used trying to get your message around. Don't try and look like someone else. Don't try and wear that suit. No one should wear that suit. You should be you, try many, many things, and be absolutely thrilled and encouraged to fail. Serial failures don't allow it to define them. They allow it to refine them. So try everything, fail, and be proud of it.